I'm giving out big smoke, big smoke. Got a whole lot of big smoke, big smoke. Ain't no running from this big smoke, big smoke.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Chris, back to y'all with another YouTube video. Today's video, we got the toes out, and we're gonna be doing a video on my Q. Basically, we're gonna be going over things that I dislike about this car. There's some things, there's not really much, but I'm gonna try to at least get to 5. I probably won't get to 5, but still, that's not the case. We still gonna be trying to figure out some bad stuff about the car. I do have some that's in mind. Probably y'all can relate or whatever, but we're gonna see. As y'all can see, he's saying right. Yeah, that's my baby right there. But let's get into this video. You guys, also in the comment section, you guys comment what you guys don't like about your cars. I don't know, it could be anything. Shoot, it could be the color, it could be anything I want. Just comment down below what you guys don't like about your cars. So yeah, we're gonna get into it right now. Well, number one, to start off the video, is gonna be the trunk. I ain't gonna lie. For some of you guys that know who own a Q50, these trunks is heavy. Heavy as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it feels like you're lifting up freaking 100 pounds, bro. Like, look. This shit is heavy as hell. And it doesn't have like the automatic thing to make it go up or anything. Like, if I lift it up, and you guys don't mind the stuff that's in the trunk. Yeah. But that's beside the point. But yeah, look, this shit is heavy, bro. For no reason. Like, if I'm trying to put groceries in here, I gotta break my back just to open this. But I guess, I don't know why they made it so heavy. I don't know if it's still the same way in the later models, like the 2020s, like the VR models, basically. I don't know. But, bro, look how this sounds. Hopefully I don't break my trunk, but look how this sounds. Bro, that shit is heavy, bro. It makes no sense. That is number one on my list. That shit is heavy. Next, I'm gonna finish with all the exterior parts that I don't like. Until then, I'm gonna make my way inside the car. But yeah, the next exterior part that I don't like would be the chrome trims that the Q50 comes with. I believe like these Q50 be coming with too much chrome on it. Like, the less chrome on the car, sometimes, I ain't gonna lie, some people, they make the chrome look hard. I ain't gonna cap. They make the chrome go stupid crazy. I don't know how they do it. Kudos to them. They got that. But personally, me, I can't deal with the chrome. The chrome, it just ain't hitting for me. I'd rather it be like blacked out. Yeah, just basically blacked out. I can't have that much chrome. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Basically, for like right here. Oh yeah, you guys don't mind that. I have to change this too. Like, this shit came off and everything. But for the chrome piece, I don't like the chrome. Chrome just throws off the look of the car. Like right here, I kind of vinyl wrapped it a little bit. I ain't finished it because I ain't gonna lie, I got lazy. I really just got lazy. But yeah, the vinyl, I can't. I'd rather just make it all black. Just make the whole thing all black. Even back here, like all that chrome that was on the trunk I believe it looks better like this. But all that chrome that was on the trunk before, bro, it was not working. Especially on the black car, it was not working. The chrome, I can't do that. That's my number 2, especially on the grill. The chrome on the grill, on that grill part right here, I like the emblem chrome though. I think it looks good, like all black than the chrome emblem on there. Eventually I might change it out to get the light up one. Probably, I'm gonna think about it. I don't know, but I like it like that for right now as it is. But yeah, the chrome was my number 2. Now I'm gonna go try to find a number 3. All right, guys, now we inside the car. Basically, there's some, I already finished everything that was on the exterior that I don't like. It was like a few, that was it. It wasn't even really that much, honestly. I'm just finding things that, it's not even a big deal to me sometimes. It's just things that I don't like. Probably you guys have the same feeling. It's just, I'm giving my opinion on what I dislike and stuff about the car. But, yeah. So, for the interior, is one thing that I dislike about the interior too, especially on this certain Q50, not certain Q50, but this Q50 model in general. I just feel like Q50 should just put them in every single Q50 and just call it a day, instead of having, I'm gonna just show y'all. Basically, guys, I'm talking about the steering, the paddle shifters. Like, why Infiniti had to be so stingy and not put the paddle shifters in all the Q50s. Like, I don't know if you guys know, but like every Q50, at least like the 2014s through the 2017 Q50s with the GTR paddle shifters, bro, they all have like the wiring in here. All you have to do is change this. Like, I think the paddle shifters are like a plug-and-play thing. All you have to do is change this and get the paddle shifters. Honestly, that's all you have to do. Like, I'd rather them just put it in from factory and call it a day, instead of having the opportunity to put in paddle shifters, and it just makes no sense to me. Honestly, that's why that's one thing I really didn't like about the car. Like, why had to be in the sport model? I mean, I get it, it's sport, but if you guys already had the stuff here, like, why would you not want to? I don't know. If you guys think I'm tripping, let me know in the comments. I feel like I'm right. Honestly, it makes no sense to me. The way I think of it, I just think they should just put in every single model and call it a day, instead of wasting their time to put it in there and not put the paddle shifters in there as well. Like flipping through the gears with the stick is all right, but like the paddle shifters feels like that more. I mean, it depends. It depends, honestly. Using the stick, you can feel the experience too, but like, it's not like a fully manual car, so I wouldn't really want to use like this. Even though sometimes it makes me feel like I'm in a manual, but it's whatever, honestly. All right, but yeah, that's my third thing I didn't like about the Q50. Next, oh, I'm gonna have to think. I don't know. Okay, a fourth thing I do not like would be the dash. The dash, basically, I would say the dash because I feel like since the Q50 is the luxury brand of the Nissan, I feel like they should have at least put like more digital, like some more digital stuff into the dash instead of like this little screen. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Yeah, because this just makes me feel like I'm in like a luxury Ultima. Even though that's what it is, honestly, really and truly, it is a luxury Ultima. But I love my luxury Ultima. But I feel like they should have changed the dash to like basically a digital, at least something digital, except for this little box. I'd rather like they put something digital in here. I'm gonna show you guys. Like, bro, why is this not digital? I don't understand. Like, I get it and all, like this only, like this. What is this gonna do for me? I mean, it should show me like a lot. It can show me my warnings and how much miles I got left. It doesn't even show me what speed I'm going, like the digital speed. Like, bro, and I can speak for the 2017s because we all have the same interior. Nissan, Infiniti. I don't get it how we have the same interior for like the past, I don't even know how many years. It's crazy, but the car is still cool though. I ain't gonna lie. I still mess with the car, but bro, we gotta change the interior. We gotta do something. Like, I don't get it. I feel like these should have at least been like digital, at least. Like, at least I feel like those should have been digital. Like, if those were digital, it would make the interior at least like pop out a little bit more. Like, y'all could have kept the same interior, but y'all could have made like the dash a little digital. You feel me? A little something, add a little something onto it. You feel me? You feel me? But like, who am I? But I'm just saying. I'm just giving my personal opinion on it. That's it. And finally, I'm gonna get to the final thing. It's gonna be hard to find a fifth one. Let's go. Oh, I got one for y'all. I got one. Listen, basically, I don't know. I think this is only for the 2015 models and the 2014 models. I don't know if they changed it now. But for you guys that have the 2015 model like me, when y'all wash your car, right? And like or if it's raining, you don't even got to wash your car. If it's raining and it stops raining and you put down your windows, right? Is it only me? Like, the window makes that weird squeaking noise all the time. That's annoying. Like, that junk is annoying. And the window will start messing up and everything. And this junk is slow. Like, when it's going down, that junk is slow. Let me see. This window right here. Look at this. That junk just slows down. It's slow. Like, bro, it's slowly going up. Bro, that junk is slow. But yeah, that's a fifth thing. That's the thing. I'm gonna leave that as my fifth thing about the car that I dislike. I'm not, and this is for the record, I'm not bashing the car. I'm just giving my personal opinion on stuff that I don't like. Every car has something that you dislike about it. It can be the littlest thing, honestly. So I just feel like I'm giving my opinion on like what I dislike about the car and everything like that. So yeah, that's my 5 things. Alright, you guys, that's gonna end off the video. That's gonna end off the video with the 5 things I dislike about my luxury Ultima. Yeah, that's what I'm calling it, luxury Ultima. So, in the comment section, I want you guys to comment down below like things that you dislike about your car. That could be anything. It could be the slightest thing, honestly. At least something. Comment one thing. It could be about the Q50. For you Q50 guys, if you guys have something in common, comment down below. I want to know. I want to feel like I'm not alone. That's it. I just want to see if you guys share the same experience that I have, or have the same thoughts as me. So yeah. And for any other car, if you guys drive a Honda, comment down below. If you drive a Toyota, comment down below. If y'all drive a Dodge, anything, bro, you could be riding a bike for all I care. Comment down below what you don't like and let me know. I want to see what you guys talking about. You feel me? I want to interact with you guys more, honestly. So yeah. And that's it for the video on me and my luxury Ultima. So with that being said, it's your boy Chris, aka Slow Boy VQ, whichever one you want to call me. I really don't care. You guys like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and we out. Peace.